which is annoying. I've come to the realization that on my slow days, I usually journal, do a light workout, or go for a walk and just take pretty much most things slow and light. But I realized the one thing that I have been like really not doing lately is cooking for myself. And I used to cook for myself all the time. I get back into it because why not? Today we are cooking and making some vegetable soup and I'm pumped about it, so let's get started.
Yeah, I mean that you could just tie up with a string, put it in there, and then at the end you can take it out.
Oh, is that why it had the string?
Yeah. Did it have like a little bag or a little cloth?
No, it came in this and then it came with that string.
Okay.
Should I just dump these in there though and then take them out later, or should I cut them?
Well, you can if you can find them, or if you want them, just go. There you go. And then some of the stems, like this, you could always just take this and go like this with it.
Oh, yeah, because these ones are a lot thicker. Like,
Yeah,
is this rosemary?
It's flavorful.
Yeah, we can take the stems out.
So if you want to go outside, hey, Sophie.
Alexa, set timer for 25 minutes, please. Oh my gosh, the liquid went down so much.
Yeah, I was supposed to do was suck it all up. Did you put the whole pound in there?
No.
That's what I was going to say, leave the lid on it. Was it, the steam will come up, and then it'll go back down.
Should I just put water in it?
Hey, no.
good soup.
How'd it turn out?
Good.
Good.
I like that. It has a little kick to it.
Taste the small bit.
Well, that's what I asked you earlier. Just get like a little thing. Here.
That's a little bit of cake also helps. Besides the warm broth, it helps open you up.
Yeah.
She comes running over for it. Look, you taste the squash dough.
Yeah, it tastes good, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's good.
Thank you. Yeah, I think it's good too. I'm happy with how it turned out. My other one I made before this wasn't as good. It's kind of dark. I have a face mask on right now, Sonia Dakar. Products have genuinely been helping my skin. Like, it is nobody's business. So I'm having the soup for dinner. It's so good. It has a little bit of a kick to it, which I really like. Can you hear my brother? Okay, I switched the camera around because usually I'm talking to this side. And now that it's on this side, I feel like I'm looking on that side. And before I was looking on this side. Well, anyway, I'm in love with it. Like, look at how good this looks. Look at that. It looks so good. It is really good. You'll just have to take my word for it. I also made patterns for my original design that I'm doing, which that video will be out next week, next Tuesday. And I am just excited. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did. I am gonna be doing a reset video 1 week. And then the next week it's gonna be something to do with fashion. Either thrift flip, original design, styling. Okay. I put on my Instagram story tonight about what people think I'm doing this week, either an original design or a thrift flip, but my thrift flips are original designs. I'm just taking an outfit that already exists and making it into something else. So it's not like it's not an original design. It's just I'm using clothing that's already made. But the original design, I just mean that I'm making it from scratch. Like, it was never an outfit before it, and I'm just making the patterns and making the whole outfit. I know, I thought that was funny. Now I'm just going to eat my dinner, drink my chai tea, and watch Ozark. I don't know if anyone watches it, but it's such a good show. So good. So if you watch it, let's talk about it in the comments because, oh, it's so good. I'm only on like 10 minutes into the second episode and I already can't believe the first episode. Like, wow. That's all I can say. And my wow is mainly to the sun. And if you watch it, you know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching and joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this. And let this be a reminder to take some time for yourself.